Birds Makes Nest by Garland. Birds Make Nest by Garland. Birds make nests. Some nests are high, some nests are low. These nests are shaped like cups. These nests are shaped like mounds. Some birds make nests on the ground. Some birds make nests in holes in trees. Some birds make nests in burrows on grassy slopes. Some birds make nests that hang. This bird makes its nest with grass and animal hair. The hole is at the top. This bird makes its nest with sticks and leaves. The hole is at the bottom. This bird uses mud to close a hole in the tree. The female stays in the tree. The male has to feed her. And this bird uses snake skin to keep predators away. These birds make one big nest. But some birds don't make nests. This bird lays eggs in other birds' nests. Birds make many kinds of nests in many kinds of places. Birds make nests to keep eggs safe. And to keep chicks safe. And one day chicks leave their nest. Birds Make Nests by Garland.